guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make traditional Indian sweet ladoo. It's also known as ladoo, modak, ladva. These Churma Laddoos are specially made during Ganesh Chaturthi as a prasad for Lord Ganesha. And when I say it's a traditional Indian sweet recipe, I mean it because this is my mother's grandmother's recipe. So let's get started with it. So here is a list of ingredients we're going to need for this recipe. So now we're going to take 2 cups of coarse whole wheat flour. It's also known as a Bhakhri flour. To that we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of ghee. We will be adding more ghee later on because we need to combine the flour and the ghee together and be able to make a dumpling out of it. Now mix it all together. Here we will be adding more ghee because the flour and the ghee didn't combine well. So our ghee and flour mixture is ready. Here you can see how it combines all together. So now I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of milk and mix it all together again. So now using the mixture we're going to make a small balls, or you can make a dumpling, however you wanted to do it, but you need to combine all together and make a little balls. Here you can see how it's nicely combined all together and it's not falling apart because we're gonna fry them. So now I'm gonna take a frying pan. Let the oil heat up and then slowly we're gonna add the dumplings and fry them till it's golden brown. In between we're gonna flip it and let it cook on the other side as well. Our dumplings are ready. Now it's golden brown, so we're gonna take it out. Now we're gonna let it cool down, and once it's cold, we're gonna break the dumplings and make a crumbles. So now our crumbles are ready, so we're gonna mix it all together in a blender and make a fine texture out of it. So here you can see I have blended the mixture, and this is how it's supposed to look. Not so powdery, but it's a little coarse. So now we're gonna make a base. For that, in a pan I have 1 cup of jaggery and 3 tablespoons of ghee. So now we're gonna cook this and make a caramel. We do not want to overcook this, so we just want the jaggery and the ghee to melt together. So now you can see the jaggery started melting. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and let it cook a little longer. So our caramel base is ready. So now we're gonna add this to the fine powder mixture that we made before. Now mix it all together. Now our mixture is ready, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cardamom powder, some chopped almonds, now mix it all together. Now we're gonna make a ladoo. For that, take some mixture and gently press it all around. Keep molding till it combines all together. So at last, we're gonna add some poppy seed known as khas on top of each ladoo. And our perfect traditional ladoo is ready. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.